welcome to Barcelona. So we just arrived. It's almost 4 o'clock, let's say it. So we got our car. It's a Toyota, and we're getting used to it. The weather is not perfect. I mean, it's pretty warm, but it's raining. Yeah, I wish it was sunny because, as I told you, everything is better with sunshine. I mean, right now the sun is peaking a bit, but tomorrow we'll have another rainy day. So yeah, I think we will have to reschedule some of the things we want to visit. Right now we're going to Tossa de Mar. We have a hotel booked there. It's really nice with a nice view, and it would have helped me a lot if the sun was shining, the sky was clear, and but anyway, my hair is a mess because it's so humid, and the rain makes it worse, but oh well, we'll live with it, and whenever Mr. Mikey is ready, we'll hit the road. Take a stop here in Blanes and come to visit Castillo San Juan, because tomorrow it would have been planned, but there's a high chance that tomorrow will rain all day, so better get this done, and after this we will go to Tossa de Mar, and hopefully the sun will still be shining and we can visit the fortress of Tossa de Mar as well in sunshine. To come and see Murallas de Tossa de Mar because it's kind of sunset, and we want to capture it in the last rays of sun. But hopefully tomorrow we will have a bit of a good day, at least at the beginning. It's quite nice, I can't believe it, how everything changed, and it was like so rainy back in Barcelona. Yeah, let's go and check it out. points. And here you can actually go down that way to this pretty little beach. Well, it was quite a nice little walk. We're going to the hotel to do the check-in, and after that we will come back to grab some food because we're so hungry. And I really want to eat patatas bravas. I've been waiting for this for so long. Finally, we're here in Costa Brava and I can eat as much as I can. So yeah, I can't wait to see the hotel, but I will show you. Okay, so let me show you around. As you enter, here we have a bottle of water, complimentary. We have a kettle, tea, have a safe, and a mini fridge. You turn over, and here we have the bathroom. Shower with a hot tub. Ooh, that's cool. We will see tomorrow what kind of view we have. Right now we're going to grab lunch, and after that we will just chill, maybe take a little walk around the town, see how it is at nighttime, and yeah, I can't wait to have those patatas bravas. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Do you want to try them?
Mm-hmm.
Well then, let's go. Grab my coat because it's a bit chilly. Excuse my hair, I know it's a mess, but it's really humid and I don't know what to do. It's just like that. Yeah, hopefully by tomorrow it will be a bit better, but if not, well, I have to live with it. Oh, check it out, guys. They have this lemon ice cream, like the Italians. Look at his face when he's seeing so much sweet stuff. So guys, we've got sangria. Whee! I think it's the first time I'm drinking. Mike is doing the honors. Cheers! So here we have some croquettes with pollo, with chicken, and the famous patatas bravas, and I'm waiting for mine. I have my patatas bravas, guys. They are so delicious. So good. And my sangria. Okay, guys, it's dessert time. So, it has a cheesecake with forest fruit topping, and I have crema catalana.